occurs when two or more commodities are produced and supplied from one source or raw material. So for example, you have petrol and kerosene from crude oil. So this is where you see joint supply. Now option B is competitive supply, and it refers to when many commodities are supplied for the satisfaction of a particular want. For example, meat and fish. So meat and fish are both supplied for the satisfaction of a particular want. Now option C, market supply, is not a type of supply. It is not a type of supply. And then option D, which is composite supply, refers to when a commodity can serve two or more purposes. Refers to the supply seen in a commodity that can serve two or more purposes. Now, from what we have seen here and in the question, we are seeing that the price of crude oil, increase in price of crude oil, led to increase in prices of kerosene and grease. Now, kerosene and grease are both obtained from crude oil. That means kerosene and grease are gotten from the same source or from the same raw material. And that is what we saw when we looked at joint supply. So joint supply are in joint supply is option A. So kerosene and grease are in joint supply. So option A, joint supply, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 Economics Objective Past Question 14. A seller increased the quantity he offered for sale from 200 units to 250 units when the price of his product increased by 12.5%. What is the price elasticity of supply of his product? Now, elasticity of supply is given as percentage change in supply divided by percentage change in price. So from the question, we have percentage change in price here because it says the price of his product increased by 12.5%. So this is percentage change in price is 12.5%. So in order to be able to get our elasticity of supply, we need our percentage change in supply. Now, percentage change in supply will be given as we have the units sold from 200 units to 250 units. So to get the percentage change in supply, we say 250, which is the new units, the new supply, minus the old supply, divided by the old, multiplied by 100 over 1. And all this will give 25%. So elasticity of supply is equal to percentage change in supply, which is 25%, divided by percentage change in price, which is 12.5%, and that will give 2.00 as our answer. 2.00 is option A. So option A is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 Economics Objective Past Question 15. If an increase in the supply of beef increased the supply of hides, then beef and hides are in A, competitive supply, B, joint supply, C, composite supply, D, joint demand. So we're asked what happens when you have two products, hides and beef. And here we said the increase in supply of beef increased the supply of hides. Now, both of these products are gotten from the same source, that is cattle. And when you have two products obtained from the same source, it is linked to the type of supply known as joint supply. Now, in joint supply, it's a type of supply seen in products from the same source or raw material. Now, another example is seen in petrol and kerosene, gotten from the same source, that is crude oil. So, both beef and hides are gotten from cattle, the same source. Therefore, increase in supply of one will automatically lead to this increase in production and supply of the other. So, as we have rightly established here, option B, joint supply, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.
Install MakeTime to your browser and increase your productivity. It will be more pleasant to study and work. But how? That's simple. MakeTime is an extension for Google Chrome browser. It replaces a new tab and efficiently directs attention to what really matters to you.
Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 Economics Objective Past Question 16. If a beef market is in equilibrium at $4 per kg, an increase in price to $6 per kg may cause A. Surplus in the market, B. Shortage in the market, C. Black markets to come into operation, D. Rationing to be introduced. Now, the information given to us from the question is that the beef market is in equilibrium at this particular price. Okay, so the market price is at equilibrium at $4 per kg. Now, as it relates to market price and equilibrium, whenever market price increases above equilibrium or above equilibrium price, whenever market price increases above equilibrium price, the supply is greater than the quantity demanded. And if supply is greater than quantity demanded, a surplus is created. So surplus in the market is option A. So option A is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 Economics Objective Past Question 17. A large firm may experience diseconomies of scale if there is A. Difficulty in coordinating decisions, B. Division of labor in production, C. Employment of more specialists, D. Decrease in cost of production. Now, the concept of diseconomies of scale, diseconomies of scale happens when a company or business grows so large that the cost per unit increases. So it's just like saying their overall cost of production increases. Now, amongst the options given to us, the factor that is likely to increase cost of production here is employment of more specialists. Employment of more specialists. Now, when more specialists are employed, it means the cost of production increases due to the fact that their salaries and wages have to be paid. So, the employment of more specialists increases cost of production via the salaries of the employees. So, it happens when there is C, employment of more specialists. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 Economics Objective Past Question 18. Increasing returns to scale suggests that A firm can make profits by reducing output. B, a firm can make more profits by increasing output. C, as the producer reduces the quantity of raw materials used, the marginal product will double. D, as the producer increases the quantity of raw materials used, the marginal product will fall. So the concept we're looking at here is increasing returns to scale. And increasing returns to scale occurs when of a particular firm or business increases by a larger proportion than increase in inputs during the production process. Now, this means that the output increases at a much higher rate than all the factors of production involved, all the inputs involved. So the output increases by a larger proportion than in inputs during the process of production. Now, we're asked what increasing returns to scale suggests. Now, increasing returns to scale suggests that a firm or this business can make more profit by increasing output. So, based on the fact that the output increases by a larger proportion than the inputs during production, it means that the firm can make more profits than estimated or more profits than usual by simply increasing the output. And the output, of course, can be increased by increasing the inputs or the factors of production. So it suggests that a firm can make more profits by increasing outputs, and that is option B. So it is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers. Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 Economics Objective Past Question 19. One feature of the average fixed cost is that it A falls continuously but is never equal to 0. B is U-shaped and intersects the y-axis. C rises and falls faster than the marginal cost. D is always higher than the average variable cost. So the concept we are looking at here is average fixed cost. An average fixed cost is defined as the fixed cost of producing a unit of output. A fixed cost of producing a unit of output. Now on the graph, if it's plotted, graph of cost against output, the curve looks like this: average fixed cost. So from the curve you can observe that it falls continuously but never reaches the origin never gets to 0. So false continuously, but is never equal to 0 is option A. Option A is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.
This is how fast YouTube is with Brave. Notice how there's no pre-roll ads? And here's how you can see how much time you save with Brave.
Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 Economics Objective Past Question 21. Table 1 below shows the total revenue schedule of a firm. So you have the revenue schedule here with one column indicating output and the other total revenue. Now, what is the unit price of the firm's output? A, $10, B, $2.7, C, $2, D, $1.70. Now, to get unit price is what we are trying to calculate. And to get unit price, what you do is to divide any of the price given to you under total revenue by its corresponding unit. So for example, if I were to take these two, in order to get the unit price, we would divide the total revenue of it, that is 85, divided by 50. And if you do that, what it will give you is $1.70. Now, it will also give you the same value if you do for all of them. So it is a constant value, $1.70. $1.70 is option D and is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.
Central to the definition of economics. A, resources. B, wants. C, scarcity. D, capital.
And welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 Economics Objective Past Question 22. So you have this table 1, which shows the total revenue schedule of a firm with two parts, output and total revenue. Now the question is, what is the firm's marginal revenue? A, $153, B, $17, C, $1.70, D, $0.80. Now marginal revenue is what you are calculating, and marginal revenue is equal to the change in total revenue divided by change in total output quantity. So in order to get change in total revenue and change in total output quantity, you can make use of any two successive values from the table. For example, I can choose to make use of 50 and 60. I can choose to make use of this other category, any two successive values. So let me make use of 50, 60, 85, 102. So now, change in total revenue, that is this change total revenue, that will be equal to 102 minus 85 over change in total output quantity, that will be equal to 60 minus 50. So if you do that, that will give you $1.70. $1.70 is option C. So it is the correct answer to that question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.
My name is Ariel, and I just started my first job as a project manager. When I was a student, I'd write long essays.
Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Economics Objective Past Question 23. Organization and entrepreneurship are vested in different persons in A, cooperative society, B, sole proprietorship, C, partnership, D, public company. So you have various types of companies here, and we are asked for the company in which organization and entrepreneurship are vested in different persons. Now option A says cooperative society. Now a cooperative society is made up of a group of people
going to be answering WAEC 2020
who come together,
past question 3. Organization and
okay,
entrepreneurship are vested in different
with
persons.
common
A. Cooperative society.
interest
B. Sole
of
proprietorship. C.
advancing
Partnership. D. Public
the
company. So
members'
we have various types of companies here.
welfare.
And we are asked
So that is the common interest of that group of a cooperative society. Now, a sole proprietorship is a company that is run and operated by one person. So, one person or one man business is what is called a sole proprietorship. Then, partnership is made up of 2 to 20 people, a collaboration of 2 to 20 people to start up a firm. And then, public company refers to a company that is owned and financed by the government. Owned and financed by the government. Now, as it regards to organization and entrepreneurship, organization refers to the structure, the ownership, the management, the ownership of the firm. And then entrepreneurship refers to the day-to-day running of the business, the management of the business. Now, in a cooperative society, yes, you have members who own part or who are part of the organization of the firm or of the society. Now, these same members amongst themselves select those that will manage it. So you can't say the membership and entrepreneurship are vested in different persons, because it is the same set of people, just a select few number of the members that are also part of the management. So it is not vested in different persons. Now, sole proprietorship is obviously owned and operated by one person, so everything is run by one person. Now, the same thing goes for partnership. This same group of people are responsible for the organization and entrepreneurship. However, in a public company, it is owned by the government, but in terms of the entrepreneurship or the management, a group of persons are appointed. A group of persons are appointed for the management. So it is not the same as the government who owns or who is responsible for the organization of the business. So option D, public company, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.
Okay, this is where we're going to be stopping, and
It's the
been wonderful.
extra.
So it's been wonderful. Check out all that we've solved and try to solve them by yourself. And to get better grasp, you can check out our YouTube channel, the best education YouTube channel in the country, and try to check out our videos there. We have a couple of them, solving your needs as a student. You can see this is the YouTube channel. This is where you get it. You can also quickly hook up to our website from here. You can see it here, Educate Africa. You can follow us on LinkedIn, on Instagram, on Facebook, and check out our other website. So you can see everything we're teaching you. We have them bottled down here in the website. So once you get to the website, you can scroll down, you can see our popular videos on different things. Then if you're talking about the playlist, you can check them out for different subjects. You can scroll down and get to JAMB and play for chemistry. If you're offering chemistry in your WAEC or JAMB, this is where to go. If you're offering English, JAMB and WAEC, this is where to go. Literature, physics, biology. You keep scrolling down, you're going to see all the subjects that you need: physics, biology, economics, geography, government. So check them out. WAEC and NECO, the same thing. So you've got everything you need in this channel. The name of the channel is Tclassified.com. So we have both the video lectures and the past questions. That is what students are using to learn, and I hope you use that to learn as well. So until I see you again for other subjects, and we'll get more interactive. See you when I see you. Thank you, and God bless you.